Today we are going to discuss more about the browser automation using Selenium. So basically we will be going to this website and do some automation there. Basically we will do some registration and fill the fields automatically using Python and Selenium. So let me run this code. So as you can see this website is open. Okay, it is closed. Now what we can do, we can run this code in interactive mode so it will not get closed. Now what I wanted to do, I wanted to click on the register button using Python code. So for that we need to first identify the CSS or ID associated with it. So this is our register. There is a class here. Okay. So what we can do, we want to click this button using the Python code. So we have this method driver dot find element, driver dot find element. We want to use by class name, and this is our class name. We'll copy this. Here we will specify class, and here, and then we'll click. Let's see if it is able to click or not. We'll run the Python code again. Okay. Okay, just a minute. Okay, let us use CSS selector instead of class name or class name. Let's use that one. Let's run the code again. You can see it clicked on the register and this form is open now, as you can see over here, right? We can also maximize the window using the Python. So to do that, we can use driver dot maximize maximize window. Now if we want to run the code again, we can do that. So it will automatically, this window will automatically get maximized. You see here, it will automatically click on register. Now what we want to do, we will fill this form using automation using Selenium and using Python. So let's do this. So here we'll again use sleep 2. So it will wait for 2 seconds, or let's say sleep 1. Now we want to find element with this one. We want to click on this. Let's see if it has ID or not. You see it has ID. Let's click, just copy this ID. Now driver dot find element will find by ID and specify the ID here. Dot click. Okay, now it will click on that radio button. Now we want to basically enter our first name. Let's inspect this element. It has a ID. Yes, it also has ID. First name. So specify the ID of the first name here. We don't want to click. We want to call send keys function. And here specify the send. What will be the first name? What should we say? First name should we say hello or yeah? I think we can say uh, ALE. Okay, let's say hello world. It will be good. Similarly, for last name, we want to do it automatically. So go to that browser, inspect the last element, last name. ID is last name here. Copy the ID. So here, last name, and we want to write world, hello world. Similarly, we will do it for other fields. Other fields are email, password, and confirm password. Inspect the email. Here, ID is email. Copy the ID. Email, specify email. We'll write hello.world at the rate company.com. This is a dummy email, so it will not be used anywhere. I'm writing all these dummy data because otherwise YouTube will delete this video if I specify some personal information. Now go to the browser again, see the password, inspect the password. Here, ID is password. Copy that password, and here also we want to write password. Okay. Go to the browser, confirm password. Inspect the confirm password. Here ID is confirm password. Copy that, specify here, and send his password. So this is again a dummy password. Okay. So I have to use dummy data here. Now we have filled the form. Now what we want to do, we want to click on this register button. Inspect that. Here ID is there. So we will do this thing. Copy that, and instead of send keys, we'll click and copy the ID from here. Register button. Okay. Now we'll run the program again. Python -i test.py. Now you see the magic. It will automatically do the stuff. Maximize the window, clicked on register button, filling the form, hello world, hello.world at company.com, password again, clicked on register. So you see, all this automation is done using the Python code with the help of Selenium package. I hope you understand the code. You like this code. I hope you like this code. I will post this code uh, in my comment section so that you can easily access this code. Uh, yeah, that's it. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you and have a nice day. Bye.